Have you ever wondered which camera will take your creativity to the next level? DJI Air 3 or Autel EVO Lite Plus? Both of these drones promise cinematic quality, powerful sensors, smart features, and autonomy that will allow you to shoot all day. But which one is really worthy of the title of the best compact drone of 2025? Today, we will analyze everything, from the camera and flight characteristics to software, sensors, and prices. Buckle up, we're taking off. Let's start with the design. DJI Air 3 continues the company's recognizable philosophy of minimalism, precision, and attention to detail. It is lightweight, collapsible, weighs only about 720 grams, and fits even in a small backpack. The body is made of a durable composite material that can withstand light falls and gusts of wind. Autel, in turn, with the EVO Lite Plus, offers a slightly more massive case, weighing about 835 grams, but with excellent balancing and increased stability. In the hand and in the air, it feels more monumental, which may appeal to those who like confident, heavy equipment. Let's move on to the cameras, the heart of any drone. DJI Air 3 received a system with two sensors, a 24mm 1/1.3 main wide-angle lens and a 70mm 1/1.3 telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom. Both sensors shoot at a resolution of 48 megapixels and are capable of recording 4K video up to 100 frames per second with D-Log-M support and 10-bit color. This opens up huge opportunities for post-processing and professional installation. The Autel EVO Lite Plus uses a single but large 1-inch 20MP sensor with an adjustable aperture from f/2.8 to f/11. This camera is closer in spirit to professional solutions. It produces natural bokeh, excellent detail, and incredible low-light performance. Evening shots, sunsets, and night cities. Here, EVO Lite Plus shows itself just brilliantly. DJI compensates for this with a more flexible dual camera system and improved stabilization. From the point of view of video, both drones are able to produce impressive results. DJI Air 3 supports HDR video, 4K 100 frames per second slow motion, and intelligent master shots, focus track, quick shots, and waypoints modes. This is an ideal tool for those who want to get spectacular shots without complicated manual controls. Autel EVO Lite Plus also does not stand aside. Its AI frame system allows the drone to track objects, automatically adjust exposure and shutter speed, and also offer automatic flights. Now about the flight characteristics. The DJI Air 3 is capable of staying in the air for up to 46 minutes, which is incredible for its size. At the same time, the control range reaches 20 kilometers thanks to the O4 transmission system, which provides a stable signal and minimal delays, even in difficult conditions. The Autel EVO Lite Plus also offers an impressive flight time of up to 40 minutes and a signal transmission distance of up to 12 kilometers. The difference on paper seems small, but in reality DJI feels a little more stable in strong winds and difficult maneuvers. Obstacle systems are an important part of modern drones. The DJI Air 3 has received omnidirectional sensors that provide 360-degree obstacle detection. The drone can smoothly bypass trees, wires, and buildings, predicting the flight path. The Autel EVO Lite Plus is also equipped with an obstacle detection system, but only from the front, back, and bottom. This is not bad, but DJI is clearly ahead here thanks to its advanced APS 5.0 system. Now, a little bit about intelligence. DJI offers powerful integration with the Fly app and the ActiveTrack 5.0 system. The drone can recognize objects, monitor them, and change the shooting angle as smoothly as possible. He is even able to return to the starting point along the safest route, taking into account the wind and terrain. The Autel EVO Lite Plus also received AI features, including Dynamic Track 2.1, but compared to DJI, its controls and interface are slightly less intuitive. DJI's sound and software features have also taken a step forward. For example, the AirSense function warns of the approach of manned aircraft, and Cruise Control Mode allows you to set the drone to move smoothly in one direction without having to constantly hold the stick. Autel focuses on the possibilities of manual camera settings and the absence of flight restrictions. Unlike DJI, the EVO Lite Plus is not blocked in areas where DJI prohibits takeoff using NFC maps. This can be a crucial factor for professionals shooting in non-standard locations. As for the photo quality, the DJI Air 3 wins in versatility. Its dual camera makes it easy to change the composition, play with the focal length, and get dynamic shots from different perspectives. The EVO Lite Plus gives you the feeling of a big camera. The colors are more natural, the depth of field is expressive, and the work with shadows and light is amazing. It seems to have been created for those who appreciate naturalness rather than artificial effects. The autonomy of the controllers also plays a role. DJI Air 3 comes with a new RC2 with built-in screen, bright display, and long running time. No need to connect a smartphone, everything is at hand. The Autel controller is more classic, requires a phone connection, but supports customization and external antennas to expand the signal. In terms of service and convenience, DJI is traditionally the leader. Access to accessories, firmware updates, in-app support, and operational stability. Autel is aimed at enthusiasts and professionals who value independence. It has fewer restrictions and more flexible parameter settings, but less integration and support. Now let's talk about the price. The DJI Air 3 starts at about $1,100 for the basic package and up to $1,450 for the Fly More combo with 3 batteries. The Autel EVO Lite Plus costs a little more, about $1,300 to $1,500, depending on the configuration. But at the same time, the EVO Lite Plus offers a larger sensor, which makes it attractive for those who shoot in difficult conditions. If you choose a drone for travel, content creativity, and light commercial tasks, the DJI Air 3 will be perfect. It is reliable, stable, easy to operate, and produces a picture that is close to professional. If you're looking for a tool for artistic photography, where image depth and manual control are important, Autel EVO Lite Plus will give you more creative freedom. In the end, the choice is up to you. DJI Air 3 stands for technological stability, thoughtfulness, and a balance between convenience and quality. Autel EVO Lite Plus is a spirit of independence and a photographic accent. If you like this comparison and you want more honest reviews without ads and fanaticism, be sure to subscribe to the channel. Ahead of us are comparisons of DJI Mini 5, Air 3 Pro, Autel Nano 2, and other top models. And write in the comments, who are you for, DJI or Autel? Both drones are incredible tools. DJI Air 3 wins in smart features, security systems, and overall balance. Autel EVO Lite Plus takes the quality of the sensor and the freedom of creativity. One is about reliability and technology. The other is about artistry and individuality. Which one of them will take your ideas to the sky is up to you.